Partitioning drives is an essential process to organize computer storage space effectively. It always allows you to create separate sections on your hard drive, known as partitions, to store data independently. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of partitioning drives, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. Before you begin, back up your data. Partitioning drives involves modifying your hard drive, so it's essential to back up all your important files and data to an external storage device or cloud service. Step 1. Access Disk Management. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type diskmgmt.msc and press Enter. This will open the disk management utility. Step 2. Shrink existing volume. In the right disk management window, locate the drive you want to partition. Right-click on the drive and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to allocate to the new partition, and this will create an allocated space. Step 3. Create a partition. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next to proceed. Specify the size for the new partition. The wizard will usually suggest the maximum available size, but you can customize it. Assign a drive letter to the new partition or select an available one. Click Next. Step 4. Format the new partition. Select the desired file system for the new partition, such as NTFS or exFAT. Assign a meaningful volume label to easily identify the partition. Enable the Perform a Quick Format option for faster formatting or disable it through Format. Click Next to proceed. Review the settings and click Finish to create and format the new partition. Step 5. Verify the partition. Go back to the disk management window. Ensure that the new partition is listed with the assigned drive letter and labeled as healthy. Your new partition is now ready to use.